hit daddy. You can get excited, you just don't gotta hit anybody. Okay? You're getting a little antsy and revved up like a chihuahua or a wiener dog. You gotta get excited and then go snap at somebody. Let's not do that. Hey.
Did he say balls?
Bacon and eggs. What did you call me? Are you saying I'm breakfast?
Welcome back to Savannah. We're nearing the end of our visit here, and
Hey.
judges have discovered some new standouts.
You better stop or I'm going to put a scream into you so you'll stop.
They make a poop. They make a